Hi, my name is Angus Ho with Daddy Dad, a part of the Ash Management Group. I want to show how you can budget as a full-time engineer, make real estate investments, and live an exceptional family life as a dad. So, come along with me in this journey of wealth. With so many career choices, it's pretty difficult to narrow down something exactly of what you want. Seemingly, the most prestigious degrees are doctors, lawyers, and accountants. However, trying to fit into one of those jobs can be difficult sometimes. Therefore, I want to offer you another option, that is, becoming an engineer. As an engineer, you might think there are more prestigious jobs out there, but in this video, I want to tell you about what some of the top engineering jobs are and persuade you to switch over to becoming a software engineer. Finding a career is part of the ASH method. It is part of the accumulate part of the ASH method. And if you would like to know more about this method, make sure you check this video out here. If you don't find the right career, you will find yourself in the tough position to travel the world every year like I do, if that's what you want to do. It would also be very difficult to live in a luxury 2,000 square feet house without a strong career. With that being said, let's get right into what software engineers get paid. According to the Levels 2020 report at the entry level, engineers at Lyft are doing the best, with a median package of base salary, bonus, and stock grants of US $230,000 annually. Lyft offers vehicles for hire. When they first started, have a 30% market share. Since then, they now have motorized scooters, a bicycle sharing system, and food delivery. In 2012, Green wanted to pitch investors on self-driving cars as part of Lyft's future offering. So there are many opportunities with Lyft. Just looking through their career section, they have job openings for many departments. Go ahead and check out what they have to offer. There is definitely something for everyone at Lyft. For mid-level engineers with 2 to 5 years of experience, Airbnb's package of $295,000 put them in first place. Airbnb operates an online marketplace for lodging, primarily homestays for vacation, rentals, and tourism activities. Me personally have used Airbnb for many Europe trips to France and Italy. They have some pretty cool places to rent out. Airbnb is a great way to save money on hotels and stay on budget for trips. Looking through their career page, there are many departments to work for over there as well. They even have many positions available overseas in Beijing, India, and London. Sounds pretty exciting. For experienced engineers with 5 or more years of experience, LinkedIn takes a first place spot on this list. LinkedIn is said to provide a package of $461,000. If you don't know who LinkedIn is, they are an American business and employment-oriented online service. They are like Facebook for professionals. I personally have a profile on there, and I love it to connect with other investors and engineers. Looking through their career website, they too have a wide variety of positions available in Sunnyvale, California. So if you're super interested in some of these insane salaries, I would suggest that you try applying to them. It's super easy to do with these high-tech companies. Forget being a doctor or a lawyer or working for Apple and Microsoft. These companies are super crazy, and I would get started now. Now that you have a little taste of what software engineers get paid, I hope that you are enticed to pursue a career in engineering. Remember, I'm just an everyday dad that works hard as an engineer and I love every moment of it. So, if they were to give you that salary, I would totally do it. That way, you can travel the world every year to wherever you wanted, or buy that dream home that you've always wanted. I hope you enjoyed this topic, but if you are looking for more information, make sure to join me and many others at the Daddy Dat Facebook group where we discuss these topics. Make sure you comment down below what your thoughts are on this topic as well, and ask the YouTube community any questions you may have. I hope to see you next time. If you'd like to hear more budgeting, engineering, or real estate tips, please leave a comment down below on what you want to hear. Smash that like button, subscribe button, and be sure to hit that notification bell so you'll be the first to know when I post new videos every week on Mondays and Thursdays. From the Ash Management Group, this is Daddy Dat saving you money.